born and raised in Montgomeryshire, and I've lived there all my life, other than my time at university. Yeah.
Fantastic. And how you find the doors, the issues that really matter to people.
So unsurprisingly, I think the health service is coming up time and time again. And I think the fact that people perceive as though they're getting a raw deal compared to across the border over in Shropshire. In our county, our health board are deliberately delaying hospital appointments for Welsh patients in English hospitals. And that's a real scandal, and that's coming up time and time again on the doorsteps.
And our ideas for social care, we're pushing them in England. Are you pushing them in Wales?
Absolutely. And I think there's starting to get some resonance on the doorstep now that people really understand that only by investing in social care are we ever going to fix the health service in Wales.
And we've come up with some ideas to help people struggling with the cost of living after Trump's idiotic war in Iran by cutting fuel duty on petrol and diesel. How's that going down?
Well, really well on the doorstep. And as you'll know, like in rural areas where I'm standing in mid Wales, you know, the cost of petrol, the cost of diesel is a huge issue for the cost of living for people living in my area.
Yeah, I'm really conscious if you're in a rural area, it's just a nightmare. I just feel so sorry for people. They've got no alternative, have they? So that's why we've got the most ambitious policy. You're seeing that the government's getting a big windfall in tax revenue. You want to give it back to people. I hope that goes down well.
It absolutely does.
Great. Well, listen, thank you for standing, and I'm sure you're going to do really, really well. It'd be great if you get in the Senedd. Be a brilliant, brilliant member of the Senedd. But before you go, teach me the odd word in Welsh.
What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Hello?
Hello?
It's the same. But
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Hello. What about Bore da? That's a good day, is it?
Good morning, that is.
morning,
Yeah,
bore da,
yeah,
okay.
bore da, yeah.
Well, vote Liberal Democrat in Welsh.
Pleidleisiwch dem rhydd.
Pleidleisiwch dem rhydd.
Yeah, great.
I think I'll probably need more practice. Well, really good luck.
Cheers. Thanks very much.
Cheers.